Okay, so this is part two of my DIY project. So I've taped down uh, this fabric that I pulled off of the seat of the chair. Now here's the seat of the chair that you saw fall off the wall because it's so bloody heavy. So I took the fabric off of that and I'm tacking down now um, with this double adhesive tape. Uh, I pulled that one. This one I also pulled unbelievably, and then this one I'm pulling right now. So let's see if this will stay up on the wall. I really hope so. Again, forgive me for my angles. Ay, ay, ay. Uh, let's see now. So I'm just looking to get some color up in this room because everything is so bleeding white. So there we go. So we've got, and that's definitely going to stay because it's only fabric and it's only a couple of ounces insofar as weight is concerned. So there we have the fabric right there. There's the prayer shirt. Again, it's going to be an Asian theme. And again, over here on the wall is the backing to the chair that's also going along with the Asian theme. And then down here on my headboard, what I'm going to do is take everything off of there, right, and put little camels and stuff like that, and that'll be my third DIY project. So there you go. And then on the other side, I might make another video with more fabric, but I'll see. I think it's cool with just one, though. But anyway, that's it, and I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. Take it light.